So this video is basically just a unboxing and how to for the 80 watt floodlight that we just got by ORiGULM. So the first thing you're going to notice is that this light is extremely heavy duty. The quality is amazing, and we had no idea it was going to be such quality. As you can see here, it comes with a sturdy frame for mounting purposes, and it's going to come with your wiring that you have the option to put into a socket or to wire to an existing light that you already have. So to hook up your wiring, you're just going to unscrew this screw from the socket, strip your wire, and make sure that your ground wire is hooked up correctly, and then the rest you are just going to attach and then screw it back together. After your wires are secure, you're going to run that through into the socket and then screw the socket together. And our bottom floor of our house is 1,000 square foot, and this one light was bright enough to fulfill all of the lights downstairs. It's extremely convenient to be able to take the base mountable base off of it so that you can use it to pretty much mount wherever you want. So here my husband is actually going to put it on our back porch, where he puts the brace up first, and then he's going to attach the floodlight to that. So we are just extremely pleased with this floodlight. I mean, it's really surpassed all expectations that we had as far as for the price that we got it for. We didn't expect it to be such a high quality and durable floodlight. And it comes with a 5-year warranty. I mean, I love it.